This app instantly converts text into a knowledge graph. Paste your OpenAI API key here and your text generate. As you can see, we have pasted some text related to some family structure information. It instantly converted the text into a knowledge graph like this. Now, the cool thing is we can provide additional information and the graph gets updated. For example, let's say Liz is Bob's sister and she is married to Matt, something. So here we are saying Liz is married to Bob and she is married to Matt. Now this entity Matt doesn't exist, so it should create a new entity called Matt, and it should also create a new relationship called sister between two existing entities. Let's see, which is cool. So there is a new relationship now and also new entity with this new relationship. Okay, and we can do a couple of edits also. For example, we can delete an entity. Let's delete Matt. Okay, Matt got deleted, and I think we can even add some coloring as well. I'll show you. All right, so let's take the color coding should be in this hexa format. So let's say Eva and provide some color. Yep, cool. Let's see how it is working under the hood. It's a JavaScript art, not Python. So the first thing you need to do is, after downloading this open source project, as you can see from here, it is using the V1 API from OpenAI, which support only a few models. Okay, so go here, the models. Yeah, so it has text davancy. When you download it, update it with GPT 3.5 Turbo. The latest models do not work. As I said, it is currently using only the V1 API. Now, obviously, it's an open source project, so you can update this code to the latest API so that you can use the latest OpenAI models. All right. Now, let's come to the interesting part, which is these prompts. Okay. So the stated prompt, it's a standard prompt. So here it says, given a prompt, extrapolate as many relationships as possible, so on and so forth. Okay, and here we have, this is the output format, and then a couple of edits related prompting related to the coloring, and then deleting the entities. Okay, here we have one example. This is the input text, and this is the output which get converted into the graph, and then this one related to graphing. So our own text, this prompt is replaced with our own text. Okay, now the more interesting part is this stateful prompt. So when we open the app first time, it is stateless. So we start from scratch and we generate the graph. And then when we add additional information, the stateful prompt gets triggered. Okay. All right. So given the current state of a graph and prompt, okay, this is the key. Given the current state of the graph and a prompt, now you extrapolate new entities and relationships, so on and so forth. Okay. This is how it is. So the current state, and here we have new text. So from this new text, it extract the nodes and the relationships, and it will check if any of those nodes are connected to the old nodes. If it does, then it creates those relationships, and it add the new entities, new relationships as well. Okay, so it takes two inputs, the state as well as the new text or the prompt to create the new state. Okay, so it's very cleverly designed app. Obviously, we cannot use it for a very long text, but to understand some graph concepts and to quickly get a sense of what the text is about, I think it is a very cool app. Thank you.